of you. Welcome to our channel, that is Solid Master. So today in our session we will start our new session, that is Python tutorial in our channel. So basically what is Python? Python is an object oriented interpreter language and easy to learn and write the program, which makes it attractive for an application developer. It emphasizes code readability and its syntax, which lets programmers to express the concept in favor line when compared to other languages. It is an open source and platform independent software, which allows you to run on a wide variety of systems. So for this we will be using a compiler named as VS Code. I will show you here. Already I have opened it here. So I will go to VS Code. This is our compiler, so that we will use in our Python. So Python is basically a programming language to use when working with numbers and evaluating mathematical expressions. So this is our compiler of Python, that is Microsoft Visual Studio. This compiler is a program that converts source code from one language to another. Since computers can't understand the code, hence we require compiler to execute the code, to translate it in a Python to something a computer can understand and execute the machine language. So now I will show you how to work this compiler in Python. So when we run a Python file, the compiler starts reading the file. So I will choose here new, and here I will select, it shows that select the file type or enter the file name. So I will choose here first Python file. So here it is our Python file open, and here it is our Explorer. The shortcut key is Ctrl Shift plus E, like this. So here it shows that no folder open. So I will open one folder here. Go to open folder icon. Select here my local disk D, or any local disk you can show here where you have saved. So I will select here this folder. So it is open here, and I will create here new file. Now I will enter one name like this. So and .py. When we run a Python file, the compiler starts reading the file. Earlier I have said this. Compiler reads the file and checks for error. So I will now press here enter. So our file has been ready for using in Python. If an error is found in the compiler, stops and displays an error message. If no errors are found, then it translates the Python code to byte the code. If you want to again rename the file, you can select this file name, right click, so whenever you are giving any name, make sure that you will give here underscore in two words, like this. Then only it will create a Python file. If you not given .py, or like this, if you write here like -1 .py, then also it will accept it. So here in this session we will show you how to use data types in Python and what is data types. So basically data types are used to define and store the values in variable, and it also defines the what type of variable are we going to store in a variable. The data stored in memory can be of many types. For example, a person's age is stored as a numeric value and his or her address is stored as alphanumeric characters. So I will show you here one example, that x is equal to this is our first variable. Here x is our variable and these all are values. So first we will know what is data types here in Python we are using. So first it is numbers. In numbers there are two types of numbers like we are using in Python, integer and float. So integer means what? It's a single number like 5, 6, 7. So it is a single number. So that is our integer number. Float means decimal number. Like I will show you here. Y is equal to 5.6, 8.5, 7.5. Like this. This is our float number. And here also there are one new type, that is complex number in data types numbers. Like z is equal to 8 plus 9 j. Like this I have make here number, complex number. So first is our integer number, second is decimal, float number, and third one is complex number. So these three are in numbers, comes in number subcategory in data type in Python. And here we give us a syntaxes like a string. After that number comes string. String is what? Combination of characters or letters or numbers. Like I will make here AB is equal to, AB is our variable. Variable is what? It is just a letter or word, something like that, which can store data. So in AB variable we will store some data like double inverted comma string. So string is our value which is stored data in AB. Now I will print here, print AB, and this all I will comment here so that it will not run. So to run our this code, I will right click and then run file. Run Python in terminal. So our terminal has been come here and it shows string. That means our variable value is run in variable AB. So our next data type will be list. Like I have shown here, this inverted this bracket denotes, square bracket denotes the list. That means it is an order sequence of item which is mutable. Mutable means what? We can use to store multiple data, we can store here. Mutable means it we can edit the values also. So like if I want to edit some value here, like I will make here one variable was comma, and I will use here string. Now I will run this one. And I will comment this variable ab. Again go to here run python. Select here run python file in terminal. So like this it comes 12 Atharva Sawan dot new comma new Panvel. So this is our list I have make here. Now if I want to change here, I will go x square bracket 1 is our element, sorry not x, was square bracket 1 is equal to, I will use here like this way value. 1 is our first element. In Python first element starts from 0, so this 12 is our 0, Atharva is 1, 2 means Savant, and 3 means new Panvel. So like this we have changed here variable. Here you can see here our variable our value has been changed from Atharva to this pg here g. So in order sequence, all the items in a list need not be the same data type, as you see. So our next data type will be tuple. There is difference between tuple. Tuple means what? Tuple is an order sequence of items same as the list, but the main difference is the tuple are immutable. That means we can't change the value in a variable in tuple, and it is denoted by curly parenthesis, normal bracket. So I will show you for example. Tuple is equal a underscore tuple is equal to 0 comma, I will make one list that is denoted in square bracket. I will make this comment. So here you can see our the variable has not changed here in tuple, and our class will be as tuple only type. So, our next data type will be set. Set means what? It is an unordered collections of unique elements and it is denoted by curly brackets. I will show you one example here. So here there is a main difference in set. If you see here, our unique element is here 4 comma 4 comma 5. It shows in output terminal only 4. That means this is our unique element. 4 is a unique element in set. So this is our example of set here. And our next and last data type will be dictionary. It is same like set only, but the main difference is that dictionary have a key value pairs, not your unique elements. It shows the key value pairs in variable. So I will here enter one example here. Y1 is equal to square bracket. It also shows in curly brackets, same like set. So as you see here, it comes in a key value pairs here. So I will change here. If I want to change the key value pair in dictionary, I will make it changes by typing here print. So it shows here error. It is mentioned that object is not subscriptable. I will show you this example later. So, but till now you understood that how to use dictionary and how to use our data types in Python. So these all are the data types in Python that I have used here. So I hope you understood our today's session. So thank you for watching it. In the next session we will show you how to what are the operators in Python, and what is the decision making in Python. So thank you for watching it.